Hello, today welcome to any unboxing video. Cause the November unboxing, I don't know. Said I wanted to get for a long time. Got some extra money. And bought it. Trying to move the box here. I'm trying to move the box to make it easier editing. To walk out the address. This is one of the two boxes to put in. This is going to be tomorrow. I'll see. I think that is. No, but I do know there's not. Alright. First up, what do we have? Oh. The King Jagan. Diet. Solid state drive. And TB. So I have for those I have several computers just sitting around doing nothing. I like to have it to where I can turn one on and it should work. The problem is, I don't have drives for them, not hard drives or solid state drives. This is a 50 gigabyte drive. It's a whole OS on decent basis though. I don't think it would turn it on, boot up, and just work. So this thing's going to Dell E6510. That was an Acer computer. And then now I'm going to move to my netbook, I think. And I'm going to put this in the netbook, I think, actually. Yeah. Yeah, I'll put this in the netbook. And then reload the image to that image drive, image the drive. And yeah. That's one of my projects to do. I'll do a video on that. I don't know. We'll see. Today what I need for is HDMI audio structure. So when I do my videos, I write out my audio from Acer. I did want to use in the camera. Oh, you only have 2.5 RCA. Nice. It's awesome. Feels cheap as shit, but awesome. Audio structure. Then it's 2 channels. Yeah. You got power, HDMI in, a switch, and here you got audio out, HDMI out. I would like to see it work without the USB power. If it needs USB power though, no big deal. You need to keep it nice. These are the ones I said before. These are better for my lights I use, my LED lights. I'm not using them right now. I don't think they're glorious. I'm still using them down here. The problem is I don't have these because they're pain in the ass and you got power cords and stuff down here. So yeah, I need a small one down here. But yeah. I believe the other one. New is a bit weird, they don't make the batteries for you guys, it's used in the batteries. So there's just one or two. First. Just cheap as hell. And another USB charger. Each light uses 2 batteries. I have 2 lights. So I don't know. Same thing, of course. So I actually use this right now. And I'm actually going to do one out. And if you like to on off of the batteries or not, if they're charged. If they're not charged, obviously, they're not going to. So you guys been sitting upstairs, back upstairs. I should have things up there. Oh well. I know we'll see if these lights can run or not. Alright. Upstairs in my garage, in my other room. In my garage, Remember that annoying ass phone. You? No, don't care. So, here's all I had. And our newer and L480 lights. Go ahead and see if they come on or not. Actually, how's it? How's it? That matches. Nice. Yeah, it's working. It's like shut up. You do have one battery. I can do one battery. What about you? You say $30. Oh well. Maybe I lost water on too anyway. Oh, it's not as bright. I see it? It is. It is right. Not sure. But yeah, this is a lot nicer now. Just try it real quick. I'm sure it'll work. I gotta say, $3 of them batteries. Oh well. 1 minute. Yeah, $3 big deal. As you do that. Oh yeah. Cool, and my power cable. Nice. Cool, and my power cables. Okay. Well, I'll go ahead and I just got home from school to unbox this one. Not to unbox it, but I know what you want this time. Oh yeah, it's fire now. I'm a trusty one. You know, I was annoyed, like, I'm paranoid. Like, oh, this isn't very offensive. Maybe you're going flying. So it's done. Because, I paid $16 to Christmas house on Friday then. Yeah, but no, how about no? Alright, I'll see you guys. Alright, I love the video. So you guys, this photo works. I got photo works, and if the D works. Alright guys, it's the next day. I just got home, ate dinner, and showered. I know it's been an odd day. I don't really care about it. So I know what's in here. And I have the second and final package. What's in here? Okay, cool. And then, ow. There's a radio install kit. Not a aftermarket radio in my car. The one it has is, well, kind of done. Either, like I said, after it's done when I'm filming, or they'll put it in the stuff. Here's a, it's actual, it's no, okay, there's another. What do you do this? So that's what we're putting, one of these, and then drill a hole in the back, right there probably, when I cable with my phone, just put it in the back of the radio, and there we go. Alright, so it needs something to go on too. I will figure all this out in a minute. Last shit, yeah. But yeah. Grow occasions, 1992 on that cord. That's O2. So yeah. I'll see you guys at the end of the roast, like always, about. And see you guys. I probably won't be doing a video on this. I mean, as long as we'll see. You probably not. My dad helped me do it, so he gets it done. If we have time to do it, if not, I'll do it for a video. Probably Friday. Get this on the next year to help me do it. Okay, so it's folks the end of November. It's November 20th. Hopefully we're having to all of the stuff that I bought in this unboxing and show you guys. I'm totally prepared for this. I forgot to do this. I got another thing again. Let's do that. Alright, cool. So the SSD, you guys saw, is currently in this meter. I did a video that I put it in. I didn't get the drivers or I get Windows. I'm getting a live stream next year. For Christmas, I'm getting a VGA to HDMI adapter. I'll use that to do it. Here is the HDMI audio extractor. This is a splitter down here. That's the Xbox. So the TV out of here. And this HDMI port on the bottom. I hooked this up to my capture card. And it goes from there to there. This is the charge port input. I just use it to plug in computers. Batteries for lights, or the lights upstairs, they do work, it's fine. They're using on the new series. Yeah, I'm not done with it yet, but it's a kind of new series for my other channel. It's TechSavvvvy. Episode 6 out of 10. And yeah. 7 is a work in progress. We'll leave it guys. All the radio, the job put in yesterday. I'll show you the picture. There's no video of me putting the radio on. My dad did that yesterday. The day before yesterday. And it wasn't the easiest, it wasn't the most difficult either. But yeah. So here's what the audio extractor sounds like. My mixer. And yeah, so quite I have running up here. I'll get this part ready. So go ahead and kill the TV volume. And so this sounds like. Sorry. They acquired in the TV other output. But yeah, I have this cable. It used to go back of the TV as the output. The RCA to the 1.5 adapter. And it goes under here. And I can go through the jacket under the desk. Show you guys. Yeah, I'm through this. Let me get there. SSC. Awesome. Hang on. It goes through there. And that other thing goes up to these red and white cables. These cables are wired backwards. So we're doing backwards to counter it. So the white will be on top and not on the bottom. So the white on the top one's left, but this is actually left. These are the cables backwards. These are cheap ass cables. Yeah. It's not required to use output. But you know what? Whatever. So yeah. Hey, first one out, it's called Welcome to the Basics. Do you believe? Yeah. My other channel. TechSavvvvy. Yeah. Alright, hope you all enjoyed. Hope I didn't miss anything. And yeah. That's all you guys. Take it easy.